Welcome to the captivating world of wealth and luxury. In this thrilling YouTube video, we're diving deep into the realm of high-paying skills that can transform your life into a lavish paradise. Get ready to unlock the secrets to financial abundance and experience a lifestyle that most can only dream of. So make sure to subscribe here on Luxefluent and hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's proceed to the list. Number 1. Adaptability. Imagine embarking on a thrilling adventure, a journey filled with challenges and surprises. As Bear Grylls would say, keep moving forward, and it is not just a catchphrase. It's the lifeline that helps you endure the toughest moments and emerge victorious. Only the ignorant believe they have life all figured out, expecting smooth paths ahead. Life is far from fair. It's a complex tapestry where dedication and resilience pave the way to triumph over adversity. Trust will be shattered, circumstances will conspire against you, and you may have already hit rock bottom. But fear not, for a change in attitude is the key. Seek alternative routes, embrace your creativity, and conquer whatever hurdles life hurls at you. Remember, if the challenges intensify, it's a sign that you are leveling up in the exhilarating game of life. Number 2. Articulation. It's astonishing how few individuals can truly express their beliefs, emotions, and thoughts about an issue. This inability to communicate openly becomes a major pitfall in relationships, leading to one partner being unable to articulate their concerns, opting instead to bury their sorrow until it inevitably destroys the relationship. This problem extends far beyond romantic connections and seeps into friendships, work dynamics, and family ties. Fear often paralyzes people from speaking up when they hold differing views, trapping them in a cycle of mediocrity where compromises prevail over sustainable long-term choices. Without complete honesty and active participation, it becomes all too easy to let things slide in the hope that something better will come along. But in reality, no one wins, and everyone involved is simply wasting valuable time. Number 3. Active listening. Think about all those individuals you've encountered who just can't seem to stop talking. They miss out on valuable growth opportunities because they're too busy regurgitating what they already know. The key to personal improvement lies in active listening, and we're not talking about simply hearing others, we mean truly absorbing their words. This entails paying attention and forming a mental map of the information that you can tap into when needed. Always assume that the person you're conversing with possesses knowledge you don't, and resist the temptation of arrogance. Prioritize growth over the facade of knowing it all. That's the real differentiator between those who truly progress and those who are merely pretenders. Number 4. Discipline. It's all about taking small steps every single day, because with enough time, those steps will lead you to your desired destination. The unfortunate truth is that most people lack consistency. They fail to stay the course, easily swayed by shiny distractions along the way. The allure of new trends often tempts them to start afresh, but just as they begin making progress, another alluring opportunity captures their attention, and off they go chasing after it. This constant cycle prevents true progress. However, we firmly believe that anyone can drastically enhance their life if they can master the art of discipline. Number 5. Learn how to learn. Prepare to unlock the ultimate secret to success. Once you grasp the concept that every skill is attainable through a specific set of steps, the world transforms into a captivating video game. You become the protagonist, leveling up and acquiring new abilities as you grasp the precise measures of effort, time, and focus required to master a new skill. It's an underrated superpower, one that yields remarkable long-term benefits. When you possess the art of learning, the only task left is to allocate time and resources to upgrade your own software with the skills that will enhance your life in extraordinary ways. Before we continue, which of these skills do you think will be the most useful to you? Share it with us in the comments below. After that, let's proceed. Number 6. Meditation. Let me share with you a profound truth. You are so much more than your physical form, material possessions, or the opinions others hold of you. You are the essence of your mind, that incredible fortress encased within the bony structure of your skull. It is within this realm that your true identity resides, shaping every aspect of who you are. Your actions, ideas, thoughts, desires, weaknesses, and sorrows all originate here. Astonishingly, over 80% of highly successful individuals have embraced the power of daily meditation in their lives. Unfortunately, many dismiss it as mere mysticism, simply because they lack the knowledge of how to practice it and grasp its immense value. Yet let me assure you, this skill is a true gem, a premium asset in anyone's arsenal. By mastering your mind, you gain control, taming, and training it to become stronger. You ascend to an extraordinary level where clarity eliminates your perspective, enabling you to make wiser decisions and unlock boundless potential. While others remain confined, you break free and soar beyond limitations. Embrace this power and witness the remarkable transformation it brings. Number 7. Selling and negotiation. Listen closely, because here's the key to unlocking success. Everything you do, every endeavor you embark upon, is a fascinating dance of sales and negotiation. Whether you're seeking a romantic partner, vying for a coveted job, or even persuading yourself to strive for greater heights, it all boils down to the art of selling. But let's be clear, selling is far from synonymous with deceit. It's a rational process, a strategic breakdown of how your solution adds value to the other party involved. Selling is about rallying others to join forces, creating a brighter future for both sides. And here's the kicker, it aligns perfectly with the ability to articulate your thoughts that we mentioned earlier. Life is an ongoing negotiation, a perpetual dance with others, with yourself, and even with the elusive entity called time. It's a delicate balance between effort and satisfaction, all within the realm of time's embrace. By daring to do what others won't, you're negotiating for a future where a life of unparalleled fulfillment awaits. Selling is a skill that can be learned, and trust me, it will prove indispensable, fitting neatly into your utility belt of abilities. Number 8. Self-motivation. We've all experienced those days when the mere thought of leaving the comfort of our bed feels like an insurmountable challenge. Let's face it, there will be countless days like that. Days when the thought of returning to the daily grind seems overwhelming, and it appears as if progress has come to a grinding halt. Yet, it is precisely on these challenging days that the line is drawn between those who push through and those who succumb to excuses and failure. The secret lies within you, in a force called willpower. It is the remarkable ability to rally your body and mind, aligning them with what you know to be the better path, regardless of the alternatives that may tempt you. The level of self-motivation you can summon is directly linked to your confidence, your unwavering belief in a positive outcome, the quality of your goals, and the environment you create for yourself. So when those tough days come knocking, remember that within you lies the power to rise above and persevere. Thank you for watching. This has been an enlightening experience for you. And if you want to see more content like this, remember to get fluent, stay fluent by subscribing to our channel for more luxury and lifestyle content, so you'll always be one of the first to see our latest uploads. See you at the next one.